I'm Joanna Simpson here at FundForum International in Copenhagen, and joining me now is Fiona Frick, Group CEO at Unigestion. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you for inviting me.
And just tell me, what's the future of asset management?
I think it's an interesting question, and we see a bifurcation between two styles of asset management. So we see the big supermarket, beta factories that can propose everything in a prepackaged formats, and that will be the Vanguard and the BlackRock of this world. And on the other side, we see active management, smaller company, nimble, capable of adapting to new market trends or new client demand. And I think these will be the two parts of the value chain of active management that will thrive in the future.
And what do you see as the role of asset management within society?
It has a bigger role because, in fact, asset management is a bridge between investors that need some return and companies that need some fund to finance their project. So I think in a period where capitalism is progressing and evolving to a more societal capitalism, I think asset manager has two roles which are important. So first of all, ensure security, financial wealth security to individuals that will become more and more aging going forward, and they will be more and more responsible for their own savings. So asset manager needs to find solution to ensure wealth security for these people, and then allocating capital in a sustainable way to companies that have a sustainable way to develop themselves in the future.
And how do you think that asset managers can develop a balance, really strike a balance between sustainable development and generating returns?
I think sustainable returns goes hand to hand. It's not that you have to have sustainable objective on one side and lower return on the other side. I think that by managing in a sustainable way, investors will be able to have a better long-term performance than not taking into account ESG principle in their investing. I think there are some systemic change in our industry, like climate risk, inequalities, that are big risk for our society, and that will touch any country, any companies, any individual in the way we produce or in the way we consume goods. And I think as an investor, you want to make sure that you invest with the companies that has understood this transition and are doing the effort to be successful in that transition, and avoid companies that are not transitioning to this new world where capitalism will be more societal than it was in the past. So I would say that by investing sustainability in sustainable themes, you will outperform on the long term rather than give up performance.
Fiona Frick from Unigestion, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.